If you're experiencing an alarm or code while using your dishwasher, here are some helpful tips. Let's begin with the basics. If your dishwasher is displaying close, this is just a reminder to close the door immediately after selecting Start. You may also see information regarding rinse aid, such as the level of rinse aid dosage being used. It will show as L1 through L4. Or low rinse, which indicates you are getting low on rinse aid and will need to add more to the rinse aid dispenser. If your dishwasher is displaying the error code I10, this indicates a low fill has been detected. To resolve, check to see if the water supply line has been pinched or kinked, or if the water shutoff valve is not completely open. If your appliance is displaying the error codes I20, I40, or IF0, these indicate your filters may be clogged or the drain line is restricted. To resolve this error, check and clean both filters and sump area and check for a pinched or blocked drain hose. If the drain hose is attached to a disposer, ensure the knockout plug has been removed. If your dishwasher is displaying the error code I30, this indicates a leak or overflow of water has been detected in the bottom pan. To resolve this error, look for loose connections at the water inlet valve and ensure the unit is properly leveled. If your dishwasher is displaying the error code I50, this indicates a problem with the drain or wash motor. If your dishwasher is displaying the error code I60, this indicates a problem with the water heating system. If your dishwasher is displaying the error code ICO, this indicates a problem with the electronic control system. In the instance of an I50, I60, or IC0 error code, you can resolve the error by pressing the cancel button or turning the power off at the breaker for 5 minutes. Then, restart the unit. In any case where the error message returns after using these tips, you may need to contact the Electrolux Customer Care Center for additional support. For more information and tips, reference your Use and Care Manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.